Sir, this is the most important recommendation which has been ignored, with the result that today the consumer has no remedy against the telephone department, against the supply of cooking gas, against the water supply, against the electricity, which are all in the hands of the government. Now, the Sachar Committee, in its wisdom, said that if we must have an act to protect the consumer and if the act is aimed at stopping the malpractices of big companies for the purpose of protecting the consumer, there is no justification for excluding government companies which are responsible for major supply of day-to-day necessities. What I would like to know from the Honorable Minister is, having come forward with this bill, why have the government not thought of revamping the entire act? If they feel that between 1969 and 1982, 10 years have passed and there is a sea change in the corporate sector, the very concept of concentration of economic power under their cabinet decision or under their policy, they want to change by all means to do it. Come forward and repeal this act. But protection to consumers, thankfully, they are not against that. Please make it more genuine. Now, here is a case where the act has two parts. Prevention of concentration of economic power has been totally diluted. Today's amendment says that industries based on local technology shall be exempted. I do not understand, first of all, the purpose of this amendment, because under section 22A they have the power to name any industry. They have to decide whether it is high priority. So, all the local technology industries, they can include that by notification. But they have brought forward the act. What will happen? Sir, supposing we need the big business, suppose we need high technology project, we are not allowing them entry into the locally developed technology. That means tomorrow the smallest project, the most insignificant project also is now outside the purview of the MRTP Act. In other words, the very concept of monopoly capital, concentration of economic power, is a dead letter. I would expect the government to come forward and say, yes, the concentration of economic power is no more a priority in our list. Therefore, bring legislation and repeal it. If not, refer the present bill to a select committee. Let the committee go into the entire gamut of legislation, not only in this country but the antitrust laws of the US. They are supposed to be a free company. We always criticize it for being too much private sector oriented. Stop.